Hello, beautiful people. It's Isabe Beauty here. I decided to do a voiceover over this upload so you get to know my voice, get to know what I do in the salon on a pretty Saturday. So, client came in with their hair already washed. All I did was to apply a leave-in conditioner and my Isabe Beauty hair growth butter. I'll be introducing this butter to you as soon as possible. So it leaves your hair very manageable, easy to style, whatever style you want to do, either braids, cornrows, updos, very easy to style your hair, and also it helps your hair to grow really fast. So we've gone ahead to flat iron and I've sectioned from the middle part, as you can see, to mold the hair into the pony as requested by a client. So I'm drilling the edges, slaying the edges, as the young people will say. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the Afro-Kinky extensions into a top knot bun or simply a high bun, right? So if you'd like me to upload more of these videos, please do comment below, give us some hearts, give us some likes, and I'm gonna upload more videos as soon as possible. Love you lots, guys. Enjoy the finished look. Bye bye.